Question. Will the Minister of Civil Aviation be pleased to state A. Whether the government has received any proposal for upgradation development expansion of Rupsi Airport in Bodoland Territorial Region, Assam. B. If so, the details thereof. C. Whether it is also a fact that presently the security checking and other airport security is being managed by the Assam Police. D. Whether the government considers to hand over the said airport security to CISF or any other central security force in view of the security measures. And E. If so, the details thereof, and if not, the reasons therefore. Answer. Minister of State in the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Shri Murlidhar Mohol, A. And B. Airports Authority of India, AAI, has requested for 200 acres of land from Government of Assam for upgradation of Rupsi Airport. C. 2. E. Rupsi Airport is manned by Assam Police. Based on threat perception, MHA recommends to bring an airport under CISF security cover. At present, there is no proposal to hand over airport security of Rupsi Airport to CISF.